AquaSync training video, Understanding Detox and Proper Use. In this video, we're going to talk about the inherent detox effect and how to use AquaSync correctly. AquaSync is a suite of programs. Each program operates differently. Within the suite, AquaWare is the only program that allows you to adjust the power level. That distinction matters. The human body is made up of approximately 60% water. Every organ, every system, maintains a natural balance. That balance regulates stability, internal chemistry, and overall function. When structured frequencies are introduced directly inside the body, that internal balance can be disrupted. Disruption can trigger detox. Detox does not always feel dramatic. It can feel like fatigue, headache, body aches, brain fog, flu-like symptoms. These reactions may occur within minutes, hours, or even days. This is why intelligent use matters. When using AquaWare, always begin at the recommended starting percentage. Let your body adapt. Increase gradually only if needed. More is not better. Stronger is not faster. Gradual adjustment supports stability. Never program water directly inside the body. Instead, program water outside the body. Program a glass of water and drink it. Program water and apply it externally with a cloth or cotton pad. Program water for baths, plants, or larger bodies of water. These methods respect the body's internal equilibrium. AquaSync is powerful. Power requires discipline. When used correctly, it supports change. When rushed, it can create unnecessary detox responses. Start low. Increase slowly. Let your system adapt. That is how you use AquaSync intelligently.